costing from €22,050. The Esse Esse9 has a top speed limited to 125 miles per hour, but produces a claimed 132.7 pounds-to-foot, 180 Newton-meters, of torque. That's 41.2 pounds-to-foot more than Ducati's new Panigale V4, and being electric, it's all there from the first revolution of the motor. Peak power is 107 bhp, 80 kilowatts, at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Named after the Via Emilia, or Strada Statale 9, Energica's new EVA Esse Esse9 is described by the Italian manufacturer as being the first old-school electric motorcycle. Energica's Vehicle Control Unit, VCU, is a multi-map system that manages the power and battery, even when the bike's turned off, and is said to deliver a maximum range in eco mode of 125 miles. The 11.7 kWh lithium polymer battery can be charged in as little as 30 minutes to 85% using the DC fast charging mode, or 3.5 hours to get to 100% with the built-in 3 kW, 110 to 220 volts charger. When the bike's not being used for a long time, the battery's cells are automatically self-balanced, brought to the same voltages, to improve performance and prolong life. The motorcycle has a 3-year warranty, while the battery is guaranteed for 31,000 miles, and has a lifespan of 1,200 charge cycles before it drops below 80% of capacity. The oil-cooled AC motor is carried in a tubular steel trellis frame, with a cast aluminium swing arm hung from a bitubo shock, adjustable for preload and rebound. The forks are fully adjustable 43mm upside-down Mars arches, with a pair of 4-piston radially mounted Brembo calipers biting 330mm discs. Along with the VCU, Energica has also announced 2 other new patents at the EICMA show. The supply unit, which houses the battery, has been designed to dissipate heat more effectively by using an aluminium cooling plate with holes in, while leads limits the amount of regenerative torque applied in slippery conditions. This will reduce the amount of charge put back into the battery during braking, but should help prevent the wheels locking on greasy roads. Energica is proud of the complexity of its software, stating that it has 1.1 million lines of code, which it says is 700,000 more than were used in the Space Shuttle. Facebook has over 60 million lines of code, while the average top-spec car has up to 100 million. Energica has also added new colors to its 148lB0FT, 200 Newton-meters, Ego Sports bike, which tops out at 150 miles per hour, and equally the specified EVA 107 Street machine, which is limited to 125 miles per hour. Both of these machines have the same battery as the Esse Esse9, with a claimed range of up to 125 miles in eco mode.